think about her needs, her wants,
Oh.
and try to accommodate as much as you can. But at the same time, don't overdo it.
Oh.
Tip number 2. Be kind to her. Say nice words. Say nice words. Try to tell her that you love her every day if you can, because it will brighten her day. Yeah. Okay. Tip number 3. Do household chores. You definitely have to do that. After all, you are the head of the house.
Any more tips?
I think that's pretty much 3 tips for you today. Thank you very much.
Okay. 1 minute luckily, if not, disqualified, you know. Less than 1 minute disqualified, ma?
Okay. Alright. Okay. Feedback.
Feedback. Okay. You must have an opening. Don't start off with point number 1. Right? Address. Have an opening. The 3 things that I would do because I know that my wife will absolutely fall for these 3 things. Number 1. Okay. So you seem to look at Benedict more than Lucy.
I realize.
I think Benedict also feel a little bit uncomfortable. Why is Philip telling me all this?
That's nice seeing you.
Yeah. But overall, the 3 points were very good and relevant. But if you were to direct them to her, I'm sure her heart will melt.
달빛아래 춤을 추는 너의 모습이 아름다워 누구보다 더